Hi, my name is Taylor Jesse.
And I'm Carly Romig.
We're in the ITLL and it is 2:37.
So our first question that we tackled is number 1, which is I can use an example to explain why we need to consider different physical and mental abilities. So our example is just like the classic case of the stair, which is that there's just a lot of people who might be disabled or just need more support than just like a regular staircase. So we need to make sure that there's like an alternative way to like be accessible into a building, so like a ramp or something like that, other than just like the classic staircase.
Yes, and so our next question is, when my manager is contemplating using AI to filter job applications, I can explain to my manager that there are political consequences. So the main thing that we had to take into consideration when using AI to especially filter job applications is it going to be fair to all individuals? So we have to take into consideration whether or not we are like unintentionally creating a gap between like types of people in society. So our AI could be unintentionally filtering out like by race or by gender, etc. And so we definitely have to take that into consideration.
Yeah. And then our third question was number 4, which is when asked to improve Uber, I can suggest features aimed to encourage drivers and passengers to be more courteous to each other, which is Uber already has like a rating system set up, so we just decided to build upon that feature. And just like if you have a really good rating as a driver or as a user, you can get discounts off things, and specifically as a driver, you could get like a little bit of a pay raise if you're like a really good driver. And then on the user side, if you really like a certain driver and you want like that driver to have like more of a like a payment to your friends, then you can recommend that driver to other people.
Awesome. And so our last question is, I can use the CloudPet example to explain the consequence of not paying enough attention to user development. So in the example of CloudPets, they didn't properly enforce like users to be informed about their product. So when they were describing how to use their product, the demo lady, she didn't offer good password usage, so that caused the users to not create very unique passwords when they created the account. So that in turn like caused for data lossage and usage because people could easily hack in.
Yeah. Cool.
Awesome. So That is our quiz.
That is all. Thank you.